Let me ask you a question. Have you ever felt frustrated that your body doesn't heal like it used to? Maybe it's a nagging joint pain, gut issue, slow recovery from workout, or scar that just won't fade. Most people try creams, supplements, or anti-inflammatories and get temporary relief at the best. Here is the truth. Your body isn't lazy. It's just missing the right signal to repair itself. And in 2026, the future of healing isn't just physical therapy or diet. It's healing peptides. Molecules like BPC-157, KPV, GHK-Cu, and TB500 that tells your cell, tissue, and organ to repair, regenerate, and restore. Today, I'm going to explain exactly how this peptide works, how they solve real-life pain points, and why they are going to change recovery and anti-aging forever. By the end of this video, you'll understand why the body you thought you lost might actually be fully recoverable. Why modern recovery fails. Let's get real. Most people over 30 feels like their recovery, gut health, or joint pain just gets worse. You heal slower from workout. Injuries linger for months. Skin loses elasticity and scar doesn't fade. Chronic inflammation drags energy down. The problem? Your body's natural repair signals aren't enough. You are not weak. You are not lazy. You are missing the molecular message that tells your cells, repair now, rebuild tissue, reduce inflammation. That's exactly where healing peptide comes in. What are healing peptides? Peptides are the small chain of amino acid that acts like biological messenger. Healing peptide doesn't just mask pain, they trigger your body to heal itself. The ones we are talking about today are BPC-157, gut and tissue repair, KPV, anti-inflammatory, immune support, GHK-Cu, skin, collagen and DNA repair, TB500, thymosin beta-4, tissue remodeling, scar repair, tendon and ligament healing. Think of them as your body's reset button for damaged tissue, chronic inflammation, and slow recovery. So let's talk about the first one, BPC-157, the gut and joint fixer. BPC-157 is one of the most studied healing peptide. Here is how it works. It promotes angiogenesis, the formation of new blood vessels, accelerate tendon, ligament, and muscle repair. It heals gut lining and reduces gut inflammation. It's perfect for leaky gut. Reduces joint pain and speeds post-injury recovery. A lot of my patient comes in saying, I can't train. I have a gut issue. My knee hurts. After BPC-157 protocols, many report reduced gut inflammation, less joint pain, faster training recovery, overall feeling younger at the tissue level. And here's the controversial part. Most of your primary care doctors haven't even heard about BPC-157. Yet research is strong. This is why 2026 is year it goes mainstream. The next one is KPV, the inflammation and immune peptide. KPV is a small but powerful peptide. Here is how it works. It reduces inflammation in the gut and systemically, support immune regulation, works synergetically with BPC-157 for gut health. The practical application, KPV helps with chronic gut issues, autoimmune flare-ups, persistent inflammation, slowing down fat loss or recovery. It's like sending a calm signal to your body's immune system, telling it stop overreacting and start repairing. In the future, KPV plus BPC-157 equals the ultimate internal healing combo. The next one is GHK-Cu, the copper peptide, the skin and collagen peptide. GHK-Cu is often called the beauty peptide, but it does so much more than that. Here is how it works. It stimulates collagen and elastin production, remodels tissue and scars, reduces inflammation at the cellular level, activates gene expression for repair and anti-aging. Why is it liked for the beautification? Because it improves sagging skin, wrinkles and scar, slows wound healing, low tissue regeneration. GHK-Cu doesn't just make you look better, it restores your tissue at the DNA and cellular level. Here is the fun fact. This peptide was discovered in the 70s, but its true potential for body-wide healing is just becoming mainstream. TB500, thymosin beta-4, the structural repairer. TB500, also known as thymosin beta-4, is the master tissue remodeler. Here is how it works. It improves actin regulation, cell migration and tissue repair, accelerate healing of tendon, ligament and muscle injuries, reduces scar tissue formation. Athletes and weekend warriors love TB500. It helps recover from injury faster, keeps mobility and reduce downtime. When combined with BPC 157, you have a powerful internal repair team. Let's talk about stacking some peptides for 2026 recovery goals. Here is where it gets exciting. Stacking is the future of healing. Gut and tissue repair stack, BPC 157 plus KPV. Skin and anti-aging stack, GHK-Cu plus BPC 157. Injury recovery stack, TB500 plus BPC 157. Full body repair stack, BPC 157, KPV, GHK-Cu plus TB500. The perfect recovery stack. Okay, why stacking works? Because each peptide targets a different repair pathway. Synergy equals faster recovery, less inflammation, better tissue integrity. You preserve muscle, improve energy, and feel like yourself again. Let's get real. Most people watching this have one or more of these problems. Chronic inflammation, gut issues, bloating, IBS, slow recovery from workouts, joint pain or tendon ligament injuries, skin sagging or scars, feeling like that body is old before its time. All this healing peptide doesn't just treat symptoms, they target the root cause at the cellular level and tissue level. Here is the truth that makes some people uncomfortable. Healing peptides are medical grade, not cosmetic. Most over-the-counter supplements do almost nothing at the tissue level. Doctors rarely prescribe this, not because they don't work, but because it's not mainstream yet. In 2026, these peptides are going to be the gold standard for recovery, injury prevention, and anti-aging. Some says it's unnatural. I say it's restoring what your body already should be doing naturally. Let's discuss some safety points. Always use a pharmacy-grade peptide, only from an approved pharmacy with a valid prescription from a medical provider. Follow proper dosing, monitor recovery, inflammation, and regularly get your blood work done. Avoid unregulated online product. All of these peptides have preclinical and clinical research supporting safety and efficacy. But as with any advanced therapy, guidance is the key. Okay, let's recap the healing peptides. BPC 157 is for gut and tissue repair. KPV, anti-inflammatory, immune support. GHK-Cu, skin, collagen, anti-aging. TB500, structural repair and injury recovery. Stacking this peptide strategically equals full body repair, faster recovery, less inflammation, better energy, and optimal body composition. If you want more science-backed peptide education, anti-aging tips, and functional medicine insight, hit follow, subscribe, and share this video with someone struggling with slow recovery, inflammation, or gut issues. 2026 is the year of healing peptides goes mainstream, and you now know the science behind them. You are already ahead.